This is not just a phone. It's a freaking tablet, laptop, camera studio, and AI assistant in your pocket. Samsung just redefined foldables with the Galaxy Z Fold 7. And after 7 days of testing, I can say, this device is not for everyone. But those who get it won't go back. Let me show you why the Fold 7 is Samsung's boldest move yet, and also its most dangerous. Right away, the design feels sleeker, thinner, and finally, yes, finally, one-hand friendly. The crease, it's barely noticeable now. Samsung's Armor Aluminum 2.0 and Gorilla Glass Victus 3 make this feel premium without the fear. And the hinge, it's whisper quiet, way stronger, and Samsung says it's tested to over 400,000 folds. That's more than your last relationship lasted. That 7.1-inch AMOLED display is an absolute joy. Watching Netflix, editing photos, or writing a script like this, everything just feels more open. It's like your phone finally grew up. But what shocked me most wasn't the screen, it was the AI features. The built-in Galaxy AI can summarize emails, translate calls in real time, and even rewrite your text messages to sound more polite or more savage. Your call. Camera-wise, we've got a 200-megapixel main sensor, improved nightography, and AI video stabilization that's so smooth, I actually ditched my gimbal this week. Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 under the hood keeps everything fast. Zero lag even with 3 apps running side by side. Battery? Easy all-day use thanks to AI background task control. So here's the truth. The Fold 7 isn't just a spec bump. This feels like foldables have finally arrived. It's reliable, smart, powerful, and yes, ridiculously fun to use. But it's expensive, bulky when folded, and not everyone wants a book-sized screen in their jeans. But if you do, welcome to the future. So, is the Fold 7 worth it? If you're done with boring slabs and want something next level, then yes, it's absolutely worth every fold. Don't forget to smash like, sub for more brutally honest reviews and comment below. Would you carry a foldable in 2025?